Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Peloton bike, the original version, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the entertainment system, the screen and everything like that, not responding, not working properly, if you can't get connected, if you're getting incorrect data and stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again because it will be wiped to its factory default settings, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to just get this Peloton set up like it's a new device somewhere, we can go ahead and do that pretty easily. All we need to do is go ahead and we're going to turn the touchscreen off first, and we're going to do that by holding down the power button and then selecting shutdown on the screen. Once that happens, we're going to hold down the volume up button on the right rim of the screen and just keep on holding. And while we do that, we're going to hold down the power button on the touchscreen until the touchscreen powers on and the Peloton logo appears. Once that happens, you can release the volume up and the power buttons at the same time. So a menu will appear to the left of the Peloton logo, and you want to tap the Select Boot Mode option to view the following options: Recovery Mode, Fast Boot Mode, and Normal Boot. So from there, you're going to use the volume up buttons, the volume up button to navigate and the volume down button to select. So you're going to use the volume up button to select to recovery mode, and then use the volume down button to select it. Once you get that, you should get a screen that says no command. And once you get onto this screen, you want to hold the power button and then tap the volume up button and then release the power button. So this will access the advanced system recovery menu. Once you get there, again, you're going to use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe all user data factory reset option, and then use the power button to select it. You'll then confirm that by selecting yes, delete all user data. And once the data has been wiped, you can select a reboot system now and go ahead and reactivate the bike.